Hi guys, I'm Siddharth and you're most welcome in the PLC programming series. In our previous video, we just learned about door simulation. We completed the door simulation. In this video, we are going to learn about few more symbols and their functions. So just don't waste our time. Open the exercise. We are going to do our ninth exercise. In this exercise, we have one NO type push button, one NC type push button and two lamps. The function is very easy. When we press the NO type push button, first lamp will glow continuously, second lamp will glow after 10 seconds. When we press the NC push button, both lamp stop glowing. Okay, so for doing this, just open our simulator. Don't waste our time. In our previous video, we learned just if we want to glow the lamp by the NO push button, we just use simple examine if close and give the address to it and use an output and give the address of output to it. But here a little bit twist here that the second LED will glow after 10 seconds. If there is any timing type function, we will use the timer symbol. Here we have three types of timers: T on timers, T off timers, RTO timers. It means on delay timers, off delay timers, or retentive on delay timers. So in this video we are going to learn about on delay timers. So just use one on delay timer here. Here you can see this is the on delay timer. Here you can see the question mark. Here you can assign the address to it. I already assigned T4 colon 0. If you want to use more timers, you can change the address accordingly. Here in the time base it means you can see here is 0.1. Time base means in 0.1 second the accumulator width will rise 1. Okay, in every zero point 0.1 second accumulator width will rise. Okay, and the preset value shows that how much accumulator will count. Okay, when the accumulator width is equal to preset width, timer done width will be high. In timers, we use three types of bit: EN bit, TT bit, and done bit. EN bit will high when the input is high. When the timer input is high, EN bit will be high. The TT bit will be high whenever the accumulator is counting. When the accumulator is counting, TT bit will be high. When accumulator stop counting, TT bit will be low and the done bit will be high. How? When the accumulator width is equal to preset width, then the done width will be high. So we are using the done width for completing our second function. Okay, so we want to use our first LED start glowing when we press the push button. So we just use the TT bit, EN bit for glowing our first LED. Okay, so when we press the push button, our LED will glow. Here is the basic and most important thing about the timer, on delay timer. The on delay timer only works when the input is high. When we reset, when we switch off the input, the timer will reset, the accumulator will bit will be 0. So we have to give the continuous input to the on delay timer for counting. So for this, as we always know, if we want to give the continuous output, we have to use a holding. So we are using a holding here and give the address of timer en bit or output. So this will be continuously high because here we used a holding. Now we are going to use examine if close and output for our second LED. So for addressing this, we can use the timer address and use a slash and dn. If you want to write all the thing, you can write here. Just click on and write T4 colon 0 slash dn. Here you can assign the second LED address. Now check the program whether it is right or not. We just downloaded it. Go to run mod, and when I press the push button, here you can see the holding is high, our first LED is glowing and accumulator width is continuously rising. When the accumulator width is equal to preset width, the done width is high. By this done width, our second LED is glowing continuously. So our first function is completed. Our second function is when we press the NC type push button, both LEDs stop glowing. As we previously discussed in this same video, that the T-on timer will reset if the power is cutted or input is disturbed. Okay, so we have to just use examine if close and give the address to it and download it. Now we can check our program. When I press the NO type push button, the timer counting will start, and the done bit, when the done bit is high, both the LEDs are glowing. Now when I press the NC type push button, the timer resets and both the LEDs stop glowing. Just check once again. When I press the NO type push button, first LED is glowing, accumulator bit is counting, and when the accumulator bit is equal to preset bit, done bit is high and both LED is glowing, and when I press the NC type push button, both LED stops. In our next video we will learn about off delay timer, how the off delay timer will work. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.